Hello there, amazing friends. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Muhsee. It's a special name that shows us just how amazing and powerful Allah is. Are you ready to discover what it means? Let's go on this exciting journey together. Al-Muhsee means the counter, the one who keeps count of everything. But this isn't just like counting numbers in math class. Allah, as Al-Muhsee, keeps track of absolutely everything in the entire universe. He counts every single raindrop that falls from the sky, every leaf on every tree, and even knows exactly how many grains of sand are on all the beaches in the world. Isn't that incredible? Think about this. Have you ever tried counting the stars in the sky? It seems impossible, right? But Allah, as Al-Muhsee, knows exactly how many stars there are, where each one is, and He even counts their movements. He knows how many times you smile each day, how many steps you take, and even how many times your heart beats. Nothing, big or small, escapes His knowledge. Here's something really special about Al-Muhsee. Allah doesn't just count things. He also keeps track of all our good deeds. Every time you help your mom with chores, share your toys with your siblings, or say kind words to someone, Allah counts it as a good deed. He remembers everything, and not a single good action is forgotten. This helps us remember to always try our best to do good things. Al-Muhsee also teaches us to be grateful. When we remember that Allah is counting and keeping track of all the blessings He gives us, it makes us want to say Alhamdulillah, thank you Allah more often. Think about it. Can you count how many blessings Allah has given you? Your family, your friends, your toys, your food, and so much more. So remember, dear friends, whenever you look at the stars in the sky or try to count anything, think of Allah's beautiful name Al-Muhsee. Remember that Allah is keeping count of everything in the most perfect way. He never misses anything, and He never makes mistakes in His counting. Isn't it amazing to have such a wonderful Creator who pays attention to every tiny detail in our lives?